So creation astronomy basically means the laws of the stars. Why do we say the stars have laws? Astronomy was originally under the mathematical discipline. It was originally a mathematical science, and then later was brought out under its own into its own discipline later. But it was originally mathematical science. The physical processes that go on in the cosmos are predictable. It runs like clockwork. They can tell where things are going to be at later points in time because they can extrapolate their future positions mathematically. So this is a little overview of creation astronomy. We'll get into Big Bang cosmology versus creation cosmology next month. First, we need to address our presuppositions, the presuppositions that we deal with in this world. Versus supernaturalism, whether you want to call them atheism versus theism, or evolution versus creation. You deal with them in astronomy as well as biological science or in geology. So these two worldviews, whichever you take, will affect the way you view your world. And in a recent survey taken in 1998 and published in the journal Nature, researchers found that in the National Academy of Sciences, the governing body of the scientific community, founded by Abraham Lincoln, and now all members of the National Academy of Sciences are appointed by current members of the National Academy of Sciences. Within the National Academy of Science, 7.5% of the physicists and astronomers in that NAS believe in God. So when we get our information from the astronomical community, from the physicists, we have to remember that they are atheists, that what they are teaching us is an atheistic worldview, how they view your world from their presuppositions. These two worldviews will affect the way you see the world. They will affect the way you see your cosmos. And what we're being taught today, just as in biological sciences, what we're being taught from the astronomers is an atheistic worldview, an atheistic presupposition or ideology to explain the existence of the cosmos. What does the word cosmos mean, by the way? We use it interchangeably with universe, but what does that word mean? It's a Greek word, really meant everything, but today they use it more to refer to the ordered universe. Cosmos versus chaos. Cosmos is the ordered universe. We realize that the universe is ordered. Cosmology then generally studies the nature of the ordered universe, typically dealing with issues of origins. How did the cosmos come about? So we'll be looking at two models. The evolution model teaches a Big Bang origin of the universe, a universe that's between 12 and 15 billion years old. 13.7 is the age that they hold to now, 13.7 billion years old, and that the celestial bodies are formed by natural processes, whereas the biblical model teaches that God created the universe, that the universe is young, the same age as the earth, right? And that God created the celestial bodies. It says that God named the stars, named them. He knows their number. So do stars still form today, or did God create them? We'll look at star formation next month. A lot of people try to resolve the Big Bang cosmology with creation cosmology, but they cannot be reconciled. The timelines are different, clearly different. If you look at the days of creation versus Big Bang cosmology, they occur at different times, right? According to the evolution model, the stars existed before the earth. But according to the Genesis, what was created first? Earth. The earth and space were created on the first day of creation. When were the stars created? The fourth day. The stars, the sun, and the moon were all created on the fourth day, even after plants. So according to the creation timeline, stars were created much later than the earth.